welcome back to the channel. This episode back on the Z650. I had another parcel arrived. Quite excited about this one. I've been in contact with the gentleman. We've exchanged a few emails and quite an important package. I haven't opened it, as you can see, it hasn't long arrived. So we're going to open it up, see what obviously I know what's in there. Open it up, let you have a look, see what's in there. And then we'll go from there. Right, let's get this package open. Let's get this open and have a look, see what we've got. Right, most important bit, actual link pipe for the exhaust and the clamps. And again, looks in fairly good condition, but we'll give it a clean up. And the actual heat shields. Again, pretty good condition, we'll give them a clean up. I was super excited about that one. So in a second I'll pull the exhaust out, stick it on the bench, and we'll actually do a mock-up. Obviously, if you remember, I can only use one of these at the moment because it's the opposite. The other side hasn't got these actual mounts to put it on. Oh, that's fantastic, but we'll give them a clean up first and then we'll assemble the exhaust. Obviously the main one I still haven't got, I can't put it on the bike as yet, is the actual brackets. So I've been looking, I still can't find them, but we'll get this bit sorted first. Alright, so just giving these a quick clean up, a little bit of degreaser and a brush. Yeah, these are coming up really good, so let me just complete the other one and then we'll start on the main link pipe and give it a polish and clean. Right, so after a quick clean up, so I haven't gone in too in depth too bad. They've actually come up pretty good. There's a few little marks that I'll take out eventually. Even got the bolts up. So I'll put the exhaust on the bench and we'll mock fit these up. As I say, I can only put one of these covers on because I don't have the clamps for the other, but we can loose fit it and see how it goes. I've still got the exhaust to clean up, but so I'll get it on the bench and then we'll have a look. Right, so exhaust is up on the bench. So obviously we'll try and get the link pipe in position. I've still yet to actually clean this. Could do with quite a clean, so. But so I just want to mock this up so I know exactly what it looks like. And then I'll start the cleaning process. Obviously I won't show you the cleaning process, it's everybody's done cleaning before. I know it's not going to come up as new. Basically I'll get it to as high a standards as I can, but let's get this link pipe in place. Yeah, obviously I need to get some exhaust, try and get some gaskets in there, so I'll clamp it up nice and tight. Alright, we'll get one of these covers on, because obviously the other side I've got nothing to clamp to. But that's it, all in place. Now I've just got a lot of cleaning ahead of me, I say, and obviously I need to get some gaskets in here. Same for this as well. I'd imagine they used a gasket. And obviously when I can, get these made up so I can put the other heat shield on without losing the screws. But that is amazing. And again, thank you so much to the gentleman that reached out and says I can help you, I've got some for sale. That is, oh, so chuffed. As I say, all I've got to get now is try and find the exhaust brackets and give it a clean, and then it can go on. Right, so I've just dug out the fish picture that I've got on the exhaust. Yeah, so I need to pick up these gaskets. Item number 9, I need 4 of them. And then it is a case of the actual brackets. Getting those as well. Like I always say, I always work from these fiche pictures. They are such a big help. That is where I get them off. You can just print them off, go onto the site, print them off. So I keep a copy of, I've done literally all of them, every single phase. Has been a real help. They are really good. Also, the other thing I mentioned in the last episode of the Z650 when we did the rocker cover, that in the kit you actually get 2 gaskets. That's the rocker cover I have with the gasket. That is the other version of the rocker cover. I believe that may be the US version with the clean air system. They're the extra tabs. Let me just dig that out. So you've got the tabs here, here and here. That's where they fit. So that's why. So if you have a rocker cover this style, which I believe is the US spec rocker cover, then that's the gasket you'll use with the external 4 tabs. But otherwise, the UK Europe version is that one, which is what I've got. Right, so just a short one today. It was just basically to have a look at these parts that have arrived, do a loose mock fit before I actually start stripping down and doing a proper clean up on this. As I say, I won't film it. It is just a basic clean through, just to try and bring it back to as good as I can get it. It's not going to be a mirrored proper finish. It'll just be as clean as possible so it looks good when it goes on the bike, but it is showing the period effect of, well, it's a 40-year-old exhaust. I now know what parts I need to get, what I need to do, and then hopefully shouldn't be too long before we can get this actually fitted on the bike. I've still got the rear wheel to do. I did have a question about that when I said that I've got the rim locks to go in, and somebody questioned, why are you going off-roading? Unfortunately, I don't have the feature picture for it, or not that I can find. It is actually on the feature page for the 1977 KZ650, Z650 B1. It does show 2 rim locks, and there are actually 3 holes in the actual rim, one for the tube, 2 for the rim locks. I have no idea why they're there, but it shows them as being there, so I'm going to put them back in. Maybe it is to do with the shape of the rim, but as I say, I put that tyre on, inflated it up, and it's just not worked. So I've still got that to do, but I'll try and get that done as soon as I can. Make a list of more parts that I need to get, and then we can go from there. Next episode is going to be a slight change to the regular format. I'm going to try something else and see if it works. I don't know, but as I say, you need to tune in for that. I'm going to try and mix things up a bit, but it will make sense. So join me again in the next episode. As always, appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.